Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know that it has been such a long time since I have filmed a video for you guys, but I'm back and hopefully I can get a couple videos up a month and then work my way back to doing them weekly for you. We had a bunch of life changes, I guess I would say. I got transferred to a new job, so we moved to a new city, and then of course I had to get my son transferred to a new school, and just getting used to being in a new city away from all of our family and friends, and you know, starting a new job and doing all of that stuff while also still planning our wedding for this September. So it's just been really hectic, and YouTube just kind of went on the back burner for a little while, but I have missed it and I'm ready to film some more. So with that being said, I went to BJ's. We do have a Sam's Club and a Costco, but they're like 35 minutes away, and I have a BJ's Wholesale like 15 minutes away. So I went ahead and just got a membership to the BJ's. I'm really trying to get our family on a strict budget. We have a couple debts that we want to pay, while also saving for our emergency fund and still trying to save for our wedding and honeymoon that's coming up. So our BJ's hauls are budgeted to $75 a month. Now I do try to go for $150 because anytime I buy anything in bulk, it's gonna last us about 2 to 2.5 months. So I kind of double my budget. Now I did go a little over this month, starting out, just because I wanted to go ahead and stock up on laundry detergent and toilet paper and things like that. So I'm probably not going to need to buy those things for 3 to 4 months because we just don't go through them as fast when we have them in the big bulk. So I was watching a bunch of YouTube videos and I saw several people saying that you should budget $100 per person per month. So with us only having 3 people in our house, that's $300 a month, which is about $75 a week for groceries. So I've really been trying to stick to that. So I try to do 2 weeks of groceries at a time just to avoid going back to the store so that I don't feel the urge to grab extra things. For this 2 weeks, the last 2 weeks of March, I have budgeted $150, and you guys, I'm proud to say that I stayed within that $150. So before I continue to ramble on anymore, let's just go ahead, jump into the haul, and let me just throw this out there once again. I know I did this back in my previous Sam's Club haul. I know that we are not the healthiest eaters, and we don't pretend to be. We're a normal family with a 6-year-old child who likes to eat junk instead of fruits and veggies, but we still try to kind of instill them in him just a little bit. So, all right, let's just go ahead and jump on into it. Okay guys, so this is just an overview of everything that I have laid out right here. This side over here is kind of BJ's, and then this side over here is just a mixture of Food Lion and Walmart. I kind of go to 2 separate places because like I like to get my meat from Food Lion because I feel like it's just better quality than Walmart. I don't know, that's just my opinion. So let's go ahead and start off over here. So I did pick up this 36 big roll of toilet paper. It's just the Berkeley Jensen brand, which is I think BJ's brand, and that should last us a few months, so we shouldn't have to get that anymore. I picked up this all free and clear laundry detergent. It's 150 loads, and this was, I usually get I would have got the Berkeley Jensen brand laundry detergent because I like to use those little like sprinkles that you put into your laundry to make your clothes smell better, but this one was actually cheaper. It was 30 more loads, and it was $3 cheaper than their brand. So I just went ahead and got this one. Over here, we did get this big 40 pack of waters. I got a 6-pack of Swanson chicken broth with the less sodium, some vanilla wafers because these and fudge rounds are some of our favorite snacks for like having treats like in a lunchbox or taking on a trip or something like that. So I went ahead and got those. We got a 36-pack of Mott's unsweetened applesauce, a 40-pack of the Kool-Aid Jammers, and I was looking at the difference between this and Capri Suns, and it actually seemed like the Kool-Aid Jammers were a little bit better for you. So I went ahead and got this. This is what my son takes in his lunchbox some days if he's not having a water. We got the 2-pack of Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, a big thing of Kraft Parmesan cheese. I went ahead and got these Everything bagels. They're the bagel thins. Everything bagels are my favorite. And I like them even better when they're like these thin bagels, because with my braces, it's just really hard to chomp down through a big solid piece of bread. So I like the thin ones. Now this is going to seem a little crazy. So me and one of my friends went to BJ's together today, and some of the things in here that's going to look a little crazy, like these apples and then there's some lemons down there, is because we split them. We knew that we weren't going to be able to eat everything in the package, but it was cheaper to buy it in bulk, so we went in and we split some fruit gushers, and then she got some fruit roll-ups and gave me a few of those. So I just kind of stuffed them all in this basket because we did get them from BJ's. We got this 2-pack of Advil liquid gels. This is the only thing, and I know it probably sounds crazy because it's like the same ingredients in most stuff, but this is the only thing, the Advil liquid gels, that will get rid of my headaches. And so I like to stay stocked up on that, so that way I don't have that problem. I did get this big, it is 5.5 pounds of hamburger meat for $20. I just break that up and use it for different meals. And then under here I got this Activia smoothie. It looks like there are 24 smoothies in there, so I got those so that I can kind of have those for breakfast. I got a 3-pack of the Black Label Maple Bacon. This is our favorite bacon, and it's actually like $3 cheaper to buy in the big pack, so I just went ahead and got that. I got this variety pack of ham, turkey, and roast beef. I got just a gallon of milk. This was a total splurge. This lady had these little peanut butter pretzel clusters out for like samples, and of course they were like $2 off or something, so they came out to like $5 for the bag, and of course I just put them in my cart. We got a 2-pack of the Simply Orange juice with calcium, and then we got a big thing of white rice, these Little Bites muffins. Logan takes these for his morning snack at school. And then we also got this 3-pack of different cereals. So it's Apple Jacks, Cocoa Krispies, and Fruit Loop. And this huge box with 3 different ones was only $5. And I know that usually a box of cereal at any other store is like $3 by itself. So that was a great deal. Okay, so that is everything that I got from BJ's. Now, oh, no, I did get these apples and lemons from BJ's too, but I kind of showed you that already. So moving on to the Food Lion and Walmart. So I did pick up this Tombstone pizza. It's pepperoni and sausage, and we just like to have a pizza night once a week. Back here we got some party-sized Doritos. This is how we eat our tacos. We don't use taco shells. We just kind of crunch up Doritos and then put all of our toppings on top of those. We got some garden salsa sun chips. Back here we got like a little strawberry lemonade. That was not on our list, but of course Michael saw it and he wanted it, and since we hadn't met our budget, I just went ahead and got it. It was only $1. Some Cheez-It Grooves, some club crackers for the toppings of our green bean casserole, some graham crackers, some peanut butter. I went ahead and just picked up a 3-pack of Velveeta cheese, macaroni and cheese, because this will probably last us a few weeks, but it was cheaper to buy the 3-pack than just to buy them individually, so I just did that. I got a pack of sweet and salty nut bars, some tea bags. We're trying to stop drinking like soft drinks, so I went ahead and got tea bags and juices and, you know, stuff to kind of get that soft drink out of us until we can start just not needing it anymore. So back here we got some pasta sauce, and then I did get a few Lunchables. Logan likes to take these once or twice a week when I don't make him something else. It's just a quick lunch I can throw in his lunchbox. We got a thing of cream cheese because we are going to be making a buffalo chicken French bread. I went ahead and picked up another thing of waffles for Logan. He loves to eat these in the morning. We got shredded mozzarella cheese. We got some sliced baby Swiss. I love these chicken broccoli noodles. Like, this will probably be my lunch tomorrow. Like, I'm ready to eat it now. And then I went ahead and picked up some more chicken nuggets for Logan. We got 2 cans of pineapples, cream of celery, some green beans, some veggies, a manwich, some chili, some more cream of soups, some biscuits. We got some sliced cheese. We're going to be making like these ham and cheese sliders, so we went ahead and got some ham for that. We got one of these kielbasa smoked sausages. We got 2 of these wild honey, and I think I've showed you guys this before, but we take these 2 ham steaks, we pour some pineapple slices and the juice over the top with a little brown sugar, and we bake those, and oh my gosh, they're so good. I went ahead and picked up 3 chicken breasts. Like, these are in the strips, but the 2 under it are kind of like cut up into little chunks. So I got 3 of those, and then we got some, this is like rib meat. I thought it was pork chops actually, but it looks like he picked up the country style rib meat. So we got those. And then over here we got some watermelon slices and some oranges, just to have for our lunches and snacks. So then the last thing that we got, we did get some breads. We got these King Hawaiian rolls for our sliders, some hamburger buns for our manwich. I have a late night at work once a week, so easy dinners for Michael and Logan to make while I'm still at work is perfect. We just went ahead and got a loaf of bread for sandwiches for lunch, and then this is our French bread for our buffalo chicken stuffed French bread. So that's everything that we got. All of this over here will probably last us 2 weeks. I mean, some of the things like the chicken nuggets and, you know, stuff like that will probably last us a little bit longer just because it's not something we eat every single day. Just if we're going to make a quick dinner, like we make like teriyaki chicken and broccoli and stir fry type thing, and Logan does not like rice or broccoli, so he will not eat it. So a night like that, we'll just throw him a few chicken nuggets in, and then that'll be that. So everything over here, though, will probably last us several months, at least 2 months, because that's a lot of stuff, and we're not going to go through it. So thank you guys for watching. Again, give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.